Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power is stable and the strap won't shift. A low battery can misalign hands. Once done, switch to timekeeping mode and press and hold the button for 3 seconds to ready the interface. Next, press and hold the B button until the hands stop. This forces mechanical synchronization and opens the hand adjust routine. Make sure to keep the watch level so gravity doesn't skew tiny gears during the initial stop. Now you select which hand to move. Press C to toggle between hour and minute. Practice short presses so you only move by 1-minute increments. This preserves alignment and avoids overshoot. To shift faster, hold down D for continuous rotation until the hand approaches the target. As you move, cross-check with the digital readout so analog and digital times match. This prevents AM/PM errors. If the hour hand lags, nudge it forward past the target, then back 1 step for precise positioning. To finish, press it to exit and save your adjustments. The watch will resume normal operation. If the hands still misalign, reset them by parking both at 12:00, then repeat the alignment process. You often correct cumulative error this way. If adjustments slip repeatedly or hand stutter, perform a full reset or seek a service center because mechanical issues or low torque require professional attention. Remember to test for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.